Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of May. Let's begin. Okay, so the first item on top here is this card. And the theme for this month is Mother Nature. And this tells you the price of the items and also what variation number this is. This box is variation number 44. So let's begin. So the item I see here first is the Pure Heals Centella Ampoule. Let's see what it looks like. So this is kind of like a serum. Let's see. And this retails for $28. The next item in the box is this Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. And the case is very cute. The container, looks like a flower. It's very cute. And this retails for $12. The next item in the box is this Milk Makeup Astro Lip and Cheek Tint. And the price of this is $15. So let's look at what Astro looks like. Looks like it's covered. There we go. So it's this pink fuchsia color. Can be used as a lip tint or as a cheek blush. The next item is this Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. And it says it's made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold. And the color Luminous. And this retails for $30. So let's look at what it looks like. So it comes with a mirror. It actually smells like chocolate as well. Looks like that. It's cute. Okay, so there's two more items in the box. The next item is this Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara. And this retails for $29. And it's in the color black. So that's what it looks like. And the last item in the box is this Paddington brush set. And this apparently retails for $90. Wow. So this is what they look like. And those were the last items in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.